little green. Today we are going to see about this magic plant, Mexican mint, commonly known as Katpooravalli. This is the best natural remedy for cough and cold. This is a very easy growing plant and we can grow it at our home. There are so many ways that we can use this medicine for cough and cold. Especially this is the best medicine for baby's cold. First we take this leaf and then we take the juice of it and then we make the babies drink it, and then the next day we wonder where is the baby's cold. Like that, for cough what we do is we put balm on one side and heat it on the next side and then make the baby sleep, and so they don't cough. We keep the leaf on their chest and put the leaf until they wake up, and then the next day after they wake up the cough will be cured. The whole night they will sleep peacefully without any cough. For adults also, it's a very good medicine for cold and cough. For adults, they just wash it and chew it as the way that I do. Yummy. Exactly, it tastes like a mint. Another way that we can use this herbal plant is we just take little bit of leaf and then boil it and then we drink the water. Hereafter, if you or your babies get a cold, you don't go to the pharmacy and get other medicine. You can just use this healthy plant. I hope this video is very useful for you all. If you like this video, like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll meet you in the next video.